good quality sealing product will help not eliminate, nothing can really eliminate the maintenance, but greatly reduce it and make it far easier, and along the way also protect the stone. So the principle is with this kind of sealer here that it will not only seal the surface of the stone, but it will also soak in as well into the porous voids and seal those from within. Now, not only does that make the sealer itself far more effective because it's inside the stone, not just on the surface, but also it means that the lifespan is far greater. If you can imagine normal wear and tear, whether it be foot traffic or vehicular traffic, can quickly start to reduce the lifespan of the sealer. But when it's inside the stone, then that is greatly improved. So if we look at an example here, you can see the area unsealed quickly changes colour as the water penetrates, whereas on the other two sides it just runs off, basically beads and runs off the surface. Now, by applying any of the sealers, you're going to be not only reducing maintenance of the stone, but also you are protecting the pointing, increasing the lifespan there, and also all the sealers are UV resistant, so it's going to stop you losing any further colour from the stone itself. But also, don't ever let anyone tell you or think that just by applying a sealer that will totally eliminate your maintenance. Unfortunately, that's just not possible in our kind of climate. What the sealer will do, as I say, it protects the stone, but it will massively reduce the amount of maintenance required. And also, when that maintenance is required, it will be far easier, far simpler, and should generally avoid the use of an intense pressure washer that was required to get this surface clean in the first place. Really, it's worth looking forward, it's worth thinking that maybe twice a year, a gentle hose down, or maybe just a very diluted application of some kind of patio cleaning product that can just be left on the surface will stop the algae and lichens and basically that muck establishing itself on the surface. So keeps that maintenance very simple and far less frequent.